Good morning students, welcome back to physics point again. Today this is our second class of chapter light reflection and refraction. In last class we have studied about light, characteristics of light, what is reflection and type of reflection. Now we are going to understand what is laws of reflection and mirror, types of mirror, characteristics and their figures. Now first of all we have to understand laws of reflection. Before understanding law of reflection, let us take a mirror. So this is a plane mirror and this is the light that falls on a point of that mirror. That point we already know is called point of incidence, and at the same point if we draw a normal, that is called a normal, a line that always perpendicular to each and every point of the mirror is called a normal. Along that normal, this incident ray makes an angle I, that is called incident angle, and after striking that point it come back into the same medium, and by making an angle R with the normal, that is called angle of reflection, and that incident light and that light is called a reflected light. In that manner this figure clears two main important laws. First one, angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflection. That means a light which falls at any point on the mirror always makes an angle with the normal is called incident angle, that always have same value as reflected light make an angle with same normal. Now second, incident ray, that ray, and the reflected ray, that ray come back, and the normal and that line is perpendicular to each point on the mirror is called normal. R lies in a plane and that plane is called plane of incidence. So second says incident ray, reflected ray and normal R lies in same plane. That plane is called plane of incidence. The plane of incidence is there. This is complete plane, and in that plane incident ray, reflected ray and normal are lies in a same plane. That is called plane of incidence. Now next, what is mirror? Actually mirror is an object whose one side is silver polish, and the silver polished surface a also protected layer of paint is provided so that it can be made reflection 100%. Such type of mirror object is called a mirror. If this is a mirror and if on that side is silver polish, then on the same side also paint is provided so that paint can stick to the silver layer, coating layer, and both stick together glass surface. In that manner from that side the reflection can take place, but on that side paint is provided a suitable fixing to the glass with a silver coating. In that manner mirrors are made in our some societies. Now this mirror is broadly classified into two categories. First mirror is called plane mirror and second category is called spherical mirror. While spherical mirror is further classified into two categories, convex mirror and concave mirror. First we will discuss about plane mirror. Actually plane mirror, as its name says, it is a flat mirror whose one side is silver polished and also painted on the same side so that a 100% reflection can be obtained from a plane mirror. Plane mirror generally made like that in our diagrams, while the spherical mirror is that mirror whose reflecting surface is a part of hollow glass. Means एक ऐसा ग्लास जो कि होलो होता है और उसका एक हिस्सा पूरी तरह से रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस की तरह बिहेव करता है, उस मिरर को स्फेरिकल मिरर्स कहते हैं. और नॉर्मली एक स्फेरिकल मिरर, ये जो एक गोला बनाया हम लोगों ने, अगर इसको बीच में से काट दिया जाए, अगर हम इस साइड कोटिंग करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा कनकेव मिरर, और अंदर की साइड से कोटिंग कर देंगे तो बन जाएगा आपका कन्वेक्स मिरर, जो कि यहाँ पे दिखाए गए हैं आप लोगों को. इस तरह से हम लोग एक होलो स्फेरिकल ग्लास से दो मिरर एक साथ क्रिएट किए जा सकते हैं. Now, the plane mirror have some characteristics. First, the object which is placed in front of mirror, then its image is also formed at the same distance at which object is placed. In mathematically, object distance is represented by u, while image distance represented by v. In case of light reflection, so we can say u is equal to v. This is the first characteristics of plane mirror. While object size represented by h1 and image size represented by h2, so object size and image size will also be equal in case of plane mirror. Third, plane mirror always form lateral inverse images. Lateral images means if you see B on the mirror teir, but inside the mirror it will look like this, means its side become change. Means if you take right side, then it will be made left side of your hand. In such manner, the image is formation is called lateral images. While the fourth property, it always formed virtual and erect image. Virtual and erect image means image is practically not there, but it seems to be present there. That's why it is called virtual and erect. अगर हम कहें तो वर्चुअल इमेज वो होती है जो वास्तविकता में होती नहीं है, बट हमें लगता है कि वहां पे इमेज है. इस तरह की इमेजेस को हम लोग लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन चैप्टर में वर्चुअल इमेज का नाम देते हैं, जो कि हमेशा इरेक्ट होती है, बिल्कुल सीधी. नेक्स्ट, इसके यूजेस की बात करें तो प्लेन मिरर के चार यूज हैं. फर्स्ट, यूज एज ए ड्रेसिंग मिरर और लुकिंग मिरर. दैट मिरर्स जनरली प्रेजेंट इन आवर रूम्स to dress up. Second, in periscope in submarines. Third, in kaleidoscope to make a beautiful pattern of bangles. And fourth one, used as a scientific instrument like microscope, telescope. All these instruments are practically behave like scientific instrument where plane mirror can be used. That question all about your plane mirror. Two main things you always know. Plane mirror has focal length infinity. Plane mirror has focal length infinity, but its power is 0. Power is 0. Now spherical mirror. Spherical mirror, I have already told you that actual definition of spherical mirror. A mirror whose reflecting surface is a part of hollow glass, behave like a spherical mirror. And spherical mirror classified into two categories, convex and concave. First, convex mirror is made like represent like this one, means ये एक रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस, उसका बैक साइड को अगर हम सिल्वर्ड पॉलिश करके प्लस पेंट कर दें, देन फ्रॉम दैट साइड रिफ्लेक्शन इज टेक प्लेस, एंड दैट coating with painted side is totally non-reflecting surface. Such type of mirror is called convex, and it can form only virtual and erect images. Means it only form erect, सीधी इमेज बनाता है, कभी भी आपको उल्टी इमेजेस नहीं बना के दे सकता. कौन? कन्वेक्स. जबकि कनकेव रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस और मिरर एक ऐसा मिरर है जिसका बैक साइड जो कि उभरा हुआ होता है, प्लगिंग आउटसाइड, इज सिल्वर कोटिंग प्रोटेक्टेड बाय पेंट, एंड इट्स डिप्रेस्ड दबा हुआ साइड ऑलवेज शो सम रिफ्लेक्शन. इट टाइप ऑफ मिरर ओनली बोथ फॉर्म रियल एज वेल एज वर्चुअल इमेजेस. मीन्स ये सीधी इमेज भी बनाते हैं और उल्टी इमेजेस भी बनाते हैं. रियल इमेज और वर्चुअल इमेज क्या है? अगर ये हमने एक ऑब्जेक्ट को रखा और हमें इमेज ऐसी नजर आती है, देन सच मिरर इज कॉल्ड रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेजेस. While if object is look like but image is look like that, then such type of image is called virtual and erect. Then such mirror is called real and inverted, while such is called virtual and erect images. That type of images, and what is real image, virtual image, what is the difference of images, and how convex and concave image formed in different cases, that all about we'll discuss in the next lecture in our next class. Till then, take care, study hard, and we will meet you soon in next video. Thank you so much. Good night and Happy day to all of you.